everybody! I'm Kirsten from the University of Lethbridge Art Gallery. Today we have Culture Vulture from Home, Quick Crafts, where I show you how to make a quick fun craft in under 5 minutes. Today I'll be making Halloween paper garlands. They're lots of fun and super cute. I hope you enjoy. Here's what you'll need. Some paper of different colors that you like, tape, string, whatever you have around the house, scissors, and a marker or a pen. Okay, so to start off our garland, you want to get your papers. You can use whatever papers you have lying around your house. I'm going to make a Halloween themed garland, and I think I'll make it about ghosts, but you can make it about whatever you want. So you can start by drawing the shape of the thing that you want on your garland. It could be a ghost, like mine. It could be a pumpkin, like this one. You could cut out some leaves. So draw your image, and then cut out your bits. I have some more ghosts in different colors too. After you cut out all your pieces, you can draw on them if you want to give them a little bit more detail. Make them cute or funny, whatever you like. All right, once you have all your pieces cut out and drawn on, you'll get a big piece of string or yarn or rope or whatever you have. Here's mine that I started earlier. There's lots of different ways you could attach it. For this one, I'm just going to use the simplest method, which is a bit of tape on the back of the piece of paper, and the tape goes over top of the string. So I just line my pieces up upside down, facing the table, and then I add little pieces of clear tape to attach them. Again, this is the simplest way, but there's lots of different ways you could do it. Let's add some more leaves to get that fall feeling for this garland. And there is the quickest ever Halloween garland. I also made this one, showing different ways of attaching your pieces. You can use different colored string. You can do lots of little details on your works. For this one, I poked a hole with my pencil through my little ghostie's head, and then I put string through it and then tied it around the centerpiece. For these little cats, I taped the piece of string onto the back, brought it up, and then tied it in a knot around the center string. So there's lots of ways you can do this, and they look great when they're hanging up. I hope you enjoyed our Culture Vulture at Home quick craft. If you like these type of quicker videos, let us know on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll make some more for you. All right, have fun getting crafty, and happy Halloween!